What's going on, everyone? It's Tavon with Primal Garage. Welcome to the Primal Garage YouTube channel. Today, we are going to a car show by Evolution in Cars at UCCS. So we are just packing up the stuff now. We're going to be a vendor at this car show. So we wanted to capture the moment, throw this on YouTube, make sure that you guys can see what's going on. And that way we have something to reflect on for the years to come. But you guys can see, we're loading up the Teague right now. We got all of the bins with all of the merch in it, and then the booths, chairs, all that stuff. So just got to finish grabbing a couple more things, and then we will be on the way to go. So we will see you guys there for setup. All right, guys, we got the car fully loaded, and we are on our way to the show. The show is going to be at a parking garage here in Colorado Springs, so it's not too far of a drive. It's about 20 minutes from where I'm at. So yeah, we're on the way now. Super excited. I know we're going to be doing like limbo. I think we're doing a tug of war and then a couple of other things. I know we're going to be doing some raffles, so Primal's going to be giving some stuff away. Super excited to just be able to give back in that aspect as well. So super fun bringing the community together here in Colorado Springs. Car scene just keeps on growing and growing, and it's coming back to that car enthusiast car scene, which is beautiful. But yeah, some information about this car show. It's going to be hosted by Evolution CC and Cars at UCCS. I'll drop their Instagrams down in the bio so you guys can go check them out. But super fun. It's been in the works for some time now, but it's going to be from like 3 to 7. It's at a parking garage. It's going to be super fun. It's going to be a bunch of shows. There's going to be a bunch of cars, a bunch of vendors, giveaway stuff, and they got some exciting things planned for tonight, so can't wait. But it's looking super nice outside, so hopefully the weather keeps up. We got no clouds in the area. What up? So we're at the spot now. We're gonna start getting the car unloaded and then packed up. But before we do that, I'm gonna go confirm that we can actually pull up right here and set up right here before I do that, and then we have to go move. You didn't get them, you just transferred ownership.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, guys, so we finally got finished setting up. You guys can see the booth over here. We are rocking with it. These are all the shirts that we're gonna be selling today. Got some more designs cooking up, and then we have our little giveaway stack here that we're gonna be donating to them to give away. Just a bunch of collective of shirts with some stickers and then keychains and also some discount cards in there. But the Overdrive shirt, we got the JDM shirt in the back, and then also our Ferrari shirt right here. We got the detail bag too, just in case people want to get some details or clean up their car. But it's just the little squad today.
Sir.
We're gonna rock it. We're gonna make it work. Yeah, we're gonna go drop these off, park the car, and that's it.
Check. Hi.
He's very good. He was at our Fairgrounds event in Castle Rock.
He wins like everything.
Yeah, he wins everything. It's
Yeah,
nice.
always.
That's nice.
I try to ask him when what shows he's going to, so I can go to the other ones.
Yeah, that's Tuesday. It's the non-turbo, obviously.
Oh, he added a turbo to it. Okay, that's why. Hyundai engine cover. Love that. Man, I miss my Evo. I miss my Evo. But he's built. He's way more built than I ever was. I just
All
think
that
so.
titanium.
Yeah. Colors.
That's nice. I like it. Yeah, the wrap in general also, ladies, you need to stop putting Heritage Heart wheels
Yes,
on
I'm tired of seeing
everything.
heart rims. I'm tired of
Yeah.
that. Big fat turbo. Ooh, a Catfish Camaro. Oh, we'll go back to that.
That thing is pretty
We'll
cool.
go down that road. 1992 Nissan Skyline RB2. Yep.
Got the QR code for the model.
QR code. Love that.
Lady driven.
Yep. She's a badass who drives this. This thing is sick. Damn. Never builds boost, but when he has boost, it's to the moon.
Oh, yeah.
That's great, God almighty. Are you kidding me?
Alright.
He has some slicks back there, it's funny.
This is a naturally aspirated GT350
with slicks in the back.
with slicks on the back. We're here in Colorado, which is at altitude. We're at like 6,000 feet right now. This does not need those, but
It does not.
yeah.
It's nice
Look
boat.
at that Durango.
I didn't even see this. Damn.
You wait, yeah.
Rotated turbo setup.
An actually built Subaru. Not just, a downpipe and exhaust.
Exactly.
And headers that make it sound like a school Subaru.
This one's alright. For a Subaru, that's alright.
For a Subaru, I give it like a 7 out of 10. Most Subarus are like 2, 3, because it's just basic. Colorado, everywhere.
Yeah. Like, and also adjustments.
Giant turbo. This is different.
That's big.
That's different. That's cool.
You never see a turbo charger. Sorry, Challenger.
Trying to get to a limo stuff, but they're trying to figure out flow of traffic. So hopefully get it figured out here.
This is how this is going to work. We've got about 15 cars going for the limbo competition. Once the first one of the first group is done, we will be lowering the height thanks to our amazing admin Justin and Bravo members holding that up right there. Once you see somebody hit that pole, tell them to get upstairs. They do not get to go back around. Once they hit that pole, they are completely done. We will keep the music going and we will keep this going until they are the last one standing. So everyone circle around, catch where they are. Make sure you are not in the way. If they need to go up the ramp, let them up the ramp. We're gonna play some music. The first car is going to be starting now. Let's see who wins.
Camaro started getting hot, so they had to sub him out. He got a side exit, so he's pulling up a little bit. Oh my goodness. Look at how much dentures he has on that thing. Jesus. That's a crazy boat. Bro, what? That's such a fire hazard. Oh my gosh. Looks like people want the Primal merch, bruh. So we gonna see. People want the Primal merch. Alright guys, if you can't tell, this is the next day. My phone actually died and I used my phone to record. So it actually died right after the two-step and the limbo stuff, so I wasn't able to record anymore. Super great car show, super good turnout. I thought it was just going crazy, but super good turnout. People love the Primal merch. Got to talk to some really cool people and hear some people's stories and why they're in the car scene and whatnot, building a community. That's what we stand for. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys did, make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this. It's been Taven. Thanks again for tuning into the Primal Garage YouTube channel. See you later.